In this video, I'm going to explain the SOV rejection process in SuperConstruct. Once the SOV is submitted by the creator, it is sent to the approver for review. The approver will receive an email notification with a link. When the approver clicks on that link, they will be redirected directly to the respective SOV. Apart from the email, the approver will also receive a pending task and an in-app notification within SuperConstruct. Clicking on either of these will take the user to the same SOV. Now, open the pending task to navigate to the SOV details page. On this screen, the approver will see two options: approve and reject. After reviewing all the details, if the approver finds any issues or required changes, they can click on reject. While rejecting, the approver should provide comments explaining what needs to be corrected or updated. Once rejected, the SOV is sent back to the creator for the necessary changes.